morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So right now it's currently 6 in the morning and it is my first day of school, and yeah, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm gonna put on my contacts, and I already put on my whole outfit. Right now I'll show you when Allendra's done for doing her hair. So yeah, I'm so tired. I'll be right back. There, I got it in. That hurt. Time for my other content. There we go. Tried. Clickbait. There we go. Now I'm gonna do my makeup. Okay, so what I'm going to do for makeup is just going to apply concealer on some of my pimples and blend it out with this big oval brush. Okay, right now I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara and eyeshadow. So yeah. There we go. My skin looks airbrush. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of my shadow with my crease brush and my GRWM palette. So that's all. So I'm gonna go into this one. Wait, which one is it? Never mind. It's the second one next to the yellow. On the GRWM palette. Look, I can't. I don't have energy in the morning. So that's all for makeup, and now I'm just gonna clean this off with concealer. Where's the other? Go in my under eye a little bit. And that's all I'm going to do, and then yeah, that's pretty much all for the makeup. Just gonna apply mascara and we're ready to go. So there we go, that's all for my makeup. And yeah, I'm just gonna put on perfume and we're ready to go. Okay guys, so one thing I forgot to do is set my makeup. I'm gonna set it with this Mario Badescu water rose. Yeah, rose water. So there we go. And I'm just gonna go apply some chapstick. So this is my outfit, guys. Okay, so I just brushed my teeth and put on perfume and all that. So I think that's all for this video. So I'm gonna do me and then go again and straighten my hair a little bit more. And that's all. This video, a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. If it was short, I'm kind of tired. So yeah.